Hello, this is the very first demo test for a game I'm making with the newly released entity component system. Besides researching on ECS years beforehand, this is my first actual game with it. And there were some complications that had to be solved, as tile maps or 2D in general doesn't exactly work well with ECS, but this game will benefit heavily with it even if there's no official pathfinding algorithms for ECS yet. For now, it's important for me to test if main mechanics and systems will work before I do general stuff, and the main one of said mechanics is testing how light itself works. Originally, I made this using two light sources, with one being very intensive global light and another being same strength negative point light, and with a bit of post-processing I was able to create seamless shadows that hid any other lights behind the main player FOV. But it had issues that I'd rather not have, so I swapped it with basic mesh generation for now, which uses a bit of jobs to quicken a few processes in said mesh generation. Although I do still want to make it better, as the angle does make it a bit jumpy, and I think it's possible to move the point a bit towards the edges in order to make it fluent. As for the ECS part, currently all physics are done through SCS, including inputs. I'm using Unity Input System Hybrid Manager that writes directional values into global singleton ECS component, which then is used by input move system that goes through all entities that contain input move tag component and applies that direction to vector move component inside said entity. Entities using AI will also update vector move component. Then there is another system called update move system, which runs after previous systems and based on finalized vector move direction applies it multiplied by movement data of type move type data and delta time to physics velocity. After that, the last system simply resets vector move to 0, as many systems that work with it are adding to values rather than rewriting them. Other entity component systems include game object container spawning, used to spawn 2D light sources game objects, and ensures that they follow said entities. The entire cursor system and camera follow cursor. These systems had their own issues, especially when it came to camera following the cursor, but I solved them and now the main parts are done and more gameplay elements will be next. Thanks for watching.